Here is Learn English Up, where your English levels up.
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. My alarm rings, and the first thing I do is stretch for a few minutes to feel awake and energized. After stretching, I make my bed and brush my teeth. I often wash my face and take a shower to feel fresh. After that, I get dressed in comfortable clothes for the day. For breakfast, I usually drink coffee or tea and eat something light, like cereal, toast, or eggs. Sometimes I read the news online, check my phone, or plan my day in a small notebook. On weekends, I like to go for a short walk, do a morning workout, or practice yoga to start my day calmly. I also sometimes listen to music or watch a short video while having breakfast. Before leaving home, I usually pack my bag with everything I need for work or school, such as laptop, notebooks, snacks, and a water bottle. I check the weather and choose my shoes and jacket carefully depending on the day. Then I say goodbye to my family and head out for the day. I usually start work or school at 9 a.m. When I arrive, I greet my coworkers or classmates and check emails or messages. I attend meetings, study lessons, or work on important tasks during the morning. I try to stay focused and avoid distractions, but sometimes I chat briefly with colleagues or friends to take a short break. At lunchtime, I usually eat lunch with my coworkers, classmates, or friends. Sometimes I bring food from home, like a sandwich or salad, or I go to a nearby cafe to enjoy my meal. After lunch, I often take a short walk outside to relax and get some fresh air. This helps me feel refreshed and ready for the afternoon. In the afternoon, I continue working, study English, or read books or articles. I sometimes make phone calls, write emails, or participate in group projects. Around 3 to 4 p.m., I usually have a coffee or tea break to recharge my energy. If I feel tired, I might take a 10 to 15-minute rest or do some light stretching. After work or school, I exercise for about 30 to 60 minutes. Sometimes I go for a run, ride my bike, or do a workout at home. Exercise helps me relax and stay healthy. After exercising, I cook dinner for myself or my family. Sometimes I try new recipes, and sometimes I make something simple like pasta or salad. During dinner, I chat with family or friends about our day. After eating, I usually clean the kitchen, wash dishes, and tidy up the dining area. In the evening, I like to relax by watching TV, listening to music, or reading a book. Sometimes I practice English, write in my journal, or plan tasks for the next day. On special days, I meet friends, go to the cinema, or attend a social event. Before going to bed, I usually take a shower or wash my face, brush my teeth, and change into pajamas. I like to meditate for a few minutes, stretch lightly, or read a few pages of a book to relax my mind. I usually go to bed around 10:30 to 11 p.m., but sometimes it can be later if I finish a project, watch a movie, or chat with friends online. Before sleeping, I sometimes reflect on my day, write a short diary, or make a plan for tomorrow. Sleeping well helps me wake up energized and ready for the next day.